All right, everyone, today we're checking out the new Ryobi USB 2 amp clamp fan. This is going to be model number FVF51K. So let's go ahead and set it up and we'll give you a good overview of this guy. All right, so let's open this guy up and see what we get. So here we have the main unit, the fan. You also get your instructions, marketing material, a USB-C cable, but no power brick, so you'll have to reuse another one, and then one single Ryobi USB 2 amp battery. Alright, so to get started, we'll want to go ahead and charge our battery. So this does not have a kind of charging port like the other Ryobi batteries has, at least not at the moment. It will be kind of neat to see one of those later on where you can just drop a bunch of these little 2 amp batteries in there. But you have a regular USB-C port. That just plugs in, and then the other guy goes into your power brick. In our case, we do have an outlet with the USB. Once it starts charging, you'll see a blinking green light. When it's fully charged, it'll be a solid green light. So let's go ahead and let that charge, and we'll come back to the fan really quick. All right, now the battery's finished charging. As you can see, we have a solid green light. We can just take that off. We'll check out the fan right here where it says USB Lithium. This guy is just a cap. Twist it counterclockwise, and then your battery is not a perfect circle shape, so it should be able to just drop right in. It only drops in one direction. Push it in till it clicks in and put your cap back on. All right, so here we go, checking out the fan. It's overall a very simple design. It's an enclosed fan on a nice durable clamp. From the bottom of the clip to the top of the fan shroud, you're looking at about 8 inches. So overall, a decent size. The head on top does swivel. It is not a full 360 degrees. However, I would guesstimate at about 320 degrees of rotation, so you can pretty much finagle a way to get it to go all the way around. As for the maneuverability on the front to the back, you do have 180 degrees of rotation on that end. And I do like that there is a small notch cutout here to even get you just a little bit more clearance there to get that fan pointing all the way straight up. Now, the thing didn't come with any instructions. It's kind of simple. You don't need any, but on the front of the packaging, it does say that the clamp will open to 1¼ inches. However, I did measure this, and it does open to about 2½ inches from end to end if you get it all the way open, which is not a problem, and I actually do like it because it fits perfectly fine on a 2x4, as you can see, and it's sturdy. Like, this guy is clamping on very well, not going anywhere, so no issues there. I can clamp it onto my hand and try to wiggle it off, and it's solid. I do like the amount of grip power that this little fan does have. CFMs, you're pushing out 135 CFMs. It doesn't mention if it's on high or low, but overall it is a solid breeze. Right now we have it on high. It does have a slight hum to it, but nothing annoying. If you put it on low, honestly, it is virtually silent. I don't even think the microphone will pick it up. It's a nice little small hum, but honestly, on low, it does plenty of airflow. On high, on a hot day, if you really want it, you can do that. It is rated for 7 hours of runtime on the low setting, so plenty of power on one battery. Get yourself a spare battery and you can have it running pretty much an entire workday. So pretty cool on that end. The one thing I really do like is it's not just a workspace specific kind of tool. We actually mainly use ours for our baby stroller. I do like the encased shrouded fan housing here. It prevents anyone from getting injured, and it doesn't expose the blades because looking in here, they are of a harder plastic material. But overall, you can bash this around while it's running and it won't damage the blades or anything. My favorite thing definitely is still the ability to just swap out batteries as soon as one is empty. It's pretty much unlimited runtime as long as you have a set of spare batteries essentially available to you. So do highly recommend this guy. Probably one of my new favorite ones here at the house, especially here now it's gonna get a little bit warmer here in the summer. Highly recommend it. As always, if you found the information useful, make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you around for the next product review.